This is problem number 31 from the January 2015 Algebra Regents exam. So we have a gardener that's planting two types of trees. Type A is 3 feet tall and grows at a rate of 15 inches per year. And type B is 4 feet tall and grows at a rate of 10 inches per year. What we need to do is algebraically determine exactly how many years it would take for these trees to be the same height. So let's go ahead and write out the equations to represent this situation. I guess it's one equation. So since type A is already 3 feet tall, we're going to start with a value of 3, plus it's growing 15 inches per year. Now the problem here is that these are not written in the same units. We've got feet and inches. And we need our units to all be in the same. So we could turn 15 inches to feet, but then we'd be dealing with either a decimal or a fraction, which is going to be frustrating. So I think it would make more sense to turn the 3 feet into inches. Now, of course, there's 12 inches in a foot, so 3 feet would be 36 inches. So let's change that to 36. Okay, so it's 36 inches, and it's growing 15 more inches per year. Let's use the variable x to represent the number of years. And we want that to be equal to the height of the other tree, which is initially 4 feet tall, but again, we want that to be in terms of inches, so 4 times 12 would be 48. So that's going to be 48 inches plus 10 inches more per year. All right, and now we have our equation that we need to solve to find out the value of x. So I'm going to start by subtracting 10x from both sides, causing those to cancel out, and we'll get 36 plus 5x equals 48. Next, we can subtract 36 from both sides, and that'll make this disappear, and we'll be left with 5x equals 48 minus 36, which is 12. And last but not least, we'll divide both sides by 5, and we'll get x equals 12 over 5, which if we turn into a mixed number would be 2 and 2/5. And we're talking about the number of years it would take, so it'd be 2 and 2/5 years. I mean, you could also potentially write this answer as a decimal. This would be the same thing as 2.4 years. I think either answer here would be acceptable. Okay, and that's all for this problem. Hope it was helpful, and thanks for visiting JD's Regents Preparation.